Well, look at that. We're back in the garage. Wartime garage. I haven't seen this place in months. I got some work to do in here. Gotta put away this summer thing and switch seasons over a little. I'm also gonna have to clean up a little bit. That 440's going back in the 67 Dart. Dual quad's going back on, gonna get plumbed. What else are we gonna do? I don't know. Make it run? Sounds good to me. First we gotta do some switching around. Put some parts away. Throw away some garbage that's been in here for anyway. Gonna have a yard sale of sorts. Dig out this snowblower because I hear it's supposed to snow. You know, I'll take it out and then not need it. Know where I'm going. And then, you know, better than not taking it out and needing it. So, yeah, I'll just take it out. What else do I gotta do? Oh, I better take all my paint to the apartment so it don't freeze and thaw a million fucking times. Pardon my French. Gotta do something about these. How about some light on the subject? Anyways, yeah. Yeah, see, I got like, you know, spare motor. Well, this is gonna be a 500 cubic inch stroker. And mock-up tires, some parts. Do some cleaning up. There's a bunch of stuff I don't need. It's gonna get listed for sale. I need to get slicks. I need to get skinnies for the front wheels. I guess I'm gonna have to get busy. Put away all the bike stuff. So to be continued. Well, here we are. Yeah, my ugly mug. Right, get back at ya. I don't know. That's kind of the deal. The adventuring around, I suppose, has come to an end. I don't know what to say. Went to Ottawa and changed my life. Yeah. So, anyways, time to go to work for a little bit. Play with my toys here. Then it's going to get cold and probably just focus on working for the winter. And we'll see where the adventure continues, right? But as it is for now, look at this day out here. I mean, here's board time. In case you're new here, this is my 67 Dart GT Super Stock project. It's going to have a 440, 727 automatic, dual 4-barrel carburetors, big tires in the back, just like they did in 68. Just cut the opening. Yeah, I got some body work to do. I could probably do some welding in the cold. We'll see what happens. You know, I'm gonna get some work done on this. Another thing, it's gonna get cleaned up. It's supposed to be mild here. The snow's gonna melt. Right? Not very winterized here. Got a lot of stuff laying on the ground. Well, gonna clean up the inside, do the switcheroo, put the bike away. I guess for now I'm gonna throw that back in, throw those axles in, and then truck wheels back on the car and make it roll. It has to roll to put the motor back in. So yeah, engine and trans. Let me see now. That's backdate. Yes, I did modify that mount again, and I think I modified this one just to get the engine back another 1/8 of an inch, if you can believe it. Anyway, so yeah, engine and transmission are going to go back in the dart the 17th time, if my memory's correct. And I'm just about at par from every video I've ever seen a guy's putting a 440 in with the header fitment and everything. Anyways, back inside. Yeah, housekeeping. You know, the place looks like a disaster. Almost like a guy wasn't here for a year or something. Anyway, what are we gonna do? We're gonna get at it. So you all have a fine day. And the next video will be me putting that 440 back in that dart again. Should be fun. Ciao.